What is your name?
Sir Nagaraj.
Nagaraj, introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Panchat Nagaraj. I belongs to Jagitya district, presently staying in Hyderabad because purchasing my job. Coming to my education qualification, I did my post graduation of Master of Computer Applications in MCA in Aurora PG College of Ramantapur, and I graduated with 70% in 22 passed out. Coming to my graduation details are BSc Bachelor of Science in SRR Gaud Degree College in Karimnagar. I graduated with 85%. Coming to my technical skills, I have good at for Java, SQL, and HTML, and Advanced Java. My short-term goals are to get a job and build a company. My long-term goals are to get a achieve good position where I build my career to help the organization. Mm, Coming to my strengths, I am a self-motivated person and positive thinking. Weaknesses are I'm concentration at one thing at a time. I'm not comfortable until my work completion. Coming to my family backgrounds, we are 4 members, include me. That's all about me. Thank you.
So, what are your technical skills?
Java and Advanced Java, HTML, and CSS.
Okay. So today, in this mock interview, I'll ask questions on collections. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the difference between collection? What is a collection?
Collection is a group of objects, predefined classes and interfaces to maintain the manipulation of data to store in objects.
What is collection framework?
Collection framework. Collection framework, we have list and check and set map. These are classes and interface and set and list and check.
Collection is just one interface. Collection framework is group of classes and interfaces. So you are saying the same definition for collection also.
Collection.
So just collection is a just one interface.
Interface.
So what is the difference between collection and collections?
So collection is a interface. Collections is a class.
So what does collections class contain?
Collections class does contain to sort the synchronization of elements. To remove and sort and binary, these are collections.
What do we call? We call them as utility methods.
Utility
methods. To perform
utility methods and arrays and stack and vector, array list, tree set, hash set. These are utility package.
They are present in utility package.
Okay.
What is an array list?
Array list is a dynamic array. Does not to store the duplicates values. It is a not synchronization.
So what are the different? What is a vector?
Vector is similar to the array list. The mainly difference in array and array list, mainly difference in array and vector. Vector is a synchronization, and is a legacy class.
What about array list?
Array list is a collection framework.
Array list is a collection framework. Array list is also a class.
Array is also class, but we can collection framework can divide in legacy and non-legacy. Legacy means Java JDK 1.1 and 1.2 below. These are legacy classes.
So what are the other differences between array list and vector?
Vector is a synchronization. Array list is a not synchronization. Array list is a collection framework and vector is a legacy class.
Vector is also a part of collection framework. Okay.
Vector also collection.
Is also a part of collection framework. Performance of array list is high.
Performance of list. Okay.
Vector is slow. Okay. So what is stack?
The stack is a list implemented for interface. Stack is a FIFO method, first in first out. Once an object is added to the first, it will be deleted to the first. Stack is a unload the duplicates values.
Stack is first in first out or last in first out?
Oh sorry, last in first out. LIFO method.
Okay. LIFO order.
It is stacking push method and pop method. Push method we can add the objects. Pop method we can remove the objects.
So what about linked list?
Linked list are the double linked list are to internal store the objects. It does not allow it allows the duplicates values. The updation value is faster. It occupies most memory.
What is the difference between array list and linked list?
Array list are the the array list is the not sufficient for the manipulation of data. Linked list are the sufficient for the manipulation for the data. Array list are the store the list memory, occupies list memory. Linked list are the store occupy the more memory because stores in nodes.
So I want to store some data,
Yes.
and so when do we go for array list? So when we have many collection objects like
Yes.
array list, linked list, vector, stuff. So when do we go for array list? When is the best choice? When is the best choice for array list?
Array list.
So when we have many collection objects,
Yes.
array list, linked list, vector, all these things we have. So when we have to go for array list, when we have to go for linked list? So array list is best choice for storing and retrieving a data.
Absolutely.
So linked list is best choice for
Updation values.
manipulation of data, updation.
Manipulation.
So then what about stack?
Stack is a LIFO method.
LIFO order.
LIFO order.
So when you want to get the data in the reverse order, we have to go for stack.
Stack.
So what is set interface?
Set interface. Set interface is extend the interface. It maintain the sequence. It does not. It allow the duplicate. It does not allow the duplicates values.
Does not allow the duplicate.
Set is a does not allow the duplicates values. It does not allow the single AC class. And null values are not allowed.
Null values are not allowed.
Yes, sir.
In set interface,
Set interface.
null values are
Single null values are can allowed.
single one, only one value is null value is allowed. Okay. So what is tree set? What
Tree
is
set.
tree set?
Tree set is a the objects are stored in hash table key by value pairs. The objects are stored in ascending order. The accessing retrieval time of byte first.
So they are, all the values are stored in ascending order.
Ascending.
Can we add null values into the tree set?
No, sir.
Why?
Ascending order. Duplicates are not allowed.
My question is, can we add null values into tree set?
No, sir.
Why? So if you want to store the data in ascending order, we need to compare two numbers,
Yes,
two
sir.
numbers or two string values.
Yes.
Can we compare null with a number?
Yes, sir.
No.
No.
So can we compare null with a string? No. So that's the reason null values are not allowed into the tree set. Okay. Can we can heterogeneous data? Heterogeneous data be allowed into tree set?
Yes, sir.
Tree set, heterogeneous data.
Heterogeneous and different data types.
Yeah.
Not allowed, sir.
Not allowed.
Allowed.
So what is hash? What is hash map?
Hash map is does not allow hash map are stored in key by value pairs. It does not maintain the sequence. It does not allow duplicate keys. Maybe allows values.
Duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate values are allowed. Okay.
Duplicate keys are allowed. Does not allow values.
Okay. Duplicate keys are not allowed. You are
No.
saying in the reverse
Yes, sir.
order. Okay. So what about tree map?
Tree maps are objects are stored in using hash table key by value pairs. The main difference of tree map is objects are stored in order. Objects are stored in order. The occupies is more memory because stored in nodes. Some methods put key comma value get key are the methods are using for tree map.
What are the differences between set and map?
Set and map. Set is a one-dimensional hierarchy. Map is a two-dimensional hierarchy. Set contains keys, but map contains key by value pairs. It does not allow duplicates values. In map, it allows the keys. It does not allow the keys. Maybe allows values. It is index-based collection. It is key-based collection.
Okay. What is the difference between hash set and tree set?
Hash set and tree set. And the main difference between hash set and tree set, the objects are hash set is objects are stored in order. The tree map, the tree set are objects are stored in order.
Okay. So what is enumeration?
Enumeration is a traverse of the collection. It does not contain the remove operations while traversing the collection. Using the hash table and vector.
So what are the differences between enumeration and iterator?
Iterator. Iterator is a traverse of the collection to remove the to remove an operation while traversing the collection. But enumeration is a traverse of the collection but does not contain the remove operations. Enumeration is a iterator is a slow. Enumeration is a faster. Iterator can using in array but enumeration using the vector.
Iterator is used only for all the classes,
All the
not
classes.
only for array. Okay.
But enumeration using vector.
It is only for vector.
Okay.
What are the differences between iterator and list iterator?
Iterators can move only forward direction and list iterator can move by direction, means forward direction and back by direction. Iterator can contain list and check and map. List and check, but list iterator contains only list.
Okay. So vector is a synchronized class.
Yes.
Yes. But array list is not a synchronized one.
Yes.
So how do you get a synchronized array list? How to make array list as synchronized?
Synchronized definition.
No, I am not asking a definition. Vector is a synchronized one,
Yes.
and array list is not a synchronized one. So how to make array list as synchronized one? We have one method in collections class.
What is it?
What is the method name?
Add-
Synchronized array list.
Synchronized array list.
Synchronized array list. By using that method, we can make array list as synchronized one. Okay. So in array list, array list will allow duplicate elements and reserves order. Okay. So and then how to remove all the duplicate elements present in the array list?
Methods.
How do you remove all the duplicate elements present in the array list?
By using the hash set and linked hash set, we remove the duplicates values in array.
Yeah, by using hash set and linked
hash set.
Okay. So what is the advantage of generic classes, generic collections?
To reduce the programming level.
To reduce the
programming speed and effort.
performance is high,
Yes, sir.
speed is more, but the main thing is you need not typecast. So all the objects will be stored in the form of objects, data objects. So you need not typecast into wrapper classes or any other classes, generic classes. So that is the main advantage. Okay. Okay, now thank you. So you are good at theory level. So you still need to improve your concept levels into. You need to dig into the more conceptual level. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.